Hello and welcome. So today we're just going to have a look at the differences between glass, crystal and lead crystal. So basically glass is just plain glass, it's just that. It has to be quite thick to make it make it stronger. Crystal is basically glass but with crystal elements added to the mixture. It makes it a little bit finer, a little bit shinier and a bit heavier. And a lead crystal in England it has to be at least 24% lead to be lead crystal. Lead crystal, they add lead into the glass compound, and that makes it a lot stronger and brighter, and it means they can make it thinner and cut into it better. It's quite difficult to see here. So this one here is cut, whereas this is just printed in the mold, these pattern, and then this one has no pattern. In terms of the sound, so lead crystal will always have like a finer, higher pitch tone to it, and that's one of the ways to identify. That's it really.